Hi there, welcome to GCSE Science Biology, and today we're looking at cell division. So what is cell division? Why is it important? So new cells are needed to grow in human beings, or animals for that matter. Cells die and new cells are born and they take over the dead cells. They're also needed to replace cells that become worn out and to repair damaged tissue. The new cells must have the same genetic information as the original cells that were doing this particular job. And you've got a small diagram here in figure 1. This special image, a karyotype, shows the 23 pairs of chromosomes from a body cell of a female human being. So the cells, they die and new cells are born. Cells that are damaged have to be repaired in the system. So information is carried within cells, and each cell has a nucleus that contains a chromosome. And chromosomes carry the genes that contain the instructions for making both new cells and also the tissues and organs needed to make an entire new you. So in this case, cells have to be divided many times over. And there are processes for this. And this is what we call the cell cycle. And within cell division, we have processes called mitosis and meiosis. But for this particular section, please have a read of the introduction of cell division. And then you've got some basic questions to answer thereafter. And in our next lesson, we'll go over these questions and answers in much more detail. So good luck for this. Thank you.